project share here. I recently bought the Stamping Bella Oddball Birthday Queen stamp. It's the first time I've ever bought one of those stamps, and I think they are super cute. Right up my alley. This is pretty much how people see me. Just loud and obnoxious and dark and whatnot. I do not know how to color with markers. I have had these for a couple of years. Half of them were already dry. I used just stuck a tip in alcohol and it rejuvenated them. But even though I'm not like great at it, I still think it turned out super cute. I plan on practicing more and more with these markers. Hopefully I'll get better, and if not, you know what, that's okay. I enjoyed coloring it, and she's just, I don't know, I like it. Very bright. I use Spellbinder's Floral Ovals, the biggest one, for this frame. This little doohickey is Stampin' Up. I'm not even sure what it's called. Good question. Oh, Modern Label. And then on the inside, that was also part of the stamp set. And these I just pulled from my stash, put a couple of them together from 2 different stamp sets and punched out with the circle. And then I used a gel pen that I've had in my stash for forever. Finally getting to use them. And that's it. Thanks for watching.